Hello guys, welcome to Spyrotech 365. In this After Effects tutorial we are going to create this. Now, create a new composition. Name it as what you like. Set width 1920 pixel and height 1080 pixel. Set frame rate to 30 and time duration to 10 second. Click OK. Press Ctrl+Y on keyboard. Name as BG. Apply turbulent noise effect from effects and presets. Set 2500 to contrast and -600 value to brightness. Change scale value to 25. Now, create a keyframe for random seed. Write the expression like me to random seed properties. Write the text. That's it. That's how we can create grunge texture effect in After Effects. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.